Page 36. Lesson 3. Reading. A. Talk about the story. Then listen and read. A new snowboard. In the winter, Danny goes snowboarding every Saturday. He wants to win a competition in February, but his snowboard is getting old. He needs to buy a new one. Danny and Mike visit a sporting goods shop. The shop has all kinds of snowboards. Danny points to a colorful snowboard. "I want that one," he says. "It's the most colorful one here." "It's the most expensive one here, too," says Mike. "Do you have enough money?" Danny counts his money. "No, I don't," he says. Mike points to a gray snowboard. "How about this one instead?" asks Mike. "It's plainer, but it's also cheaper. You could buy it today." "I earn money helping my parents at home," says Danny. "I'll wait. I can buy it in 3 weeks." Danny does his chores and saves his money. He sweeps the floor, washes the car, and takes out the garbage. In February, he buys the colorful snowboard and wins the competition. Danny's friends are excited. Page 37. C. Sing. I want that hat.
I want that hat. I want that cool hat.
I want that hat. How about this one instead? It's cheaper. I want that hat, but it's the most expensive one here.
I want that hat.
I want that hat. It's nicer. But do you have enough money? Yes, I do. I could buy it today. Okay, good choice. Cool hat. Cool hat!
I want that scarf. I want that cool scarf.
I want that scarf. How about this one instead? It's cheaper. I want that scarf, but it's the most expensive one here.
I want that scarf.
I want that scarf. It's warmer.
But do you have enough money?
Yes, I do. I could buy it today.
Okay, good choice. Cool scarf.
Cool scarf!
Page 37. D. Listen and say. Then act.
I want that one.
How about this one instead? It's cheaper.
I want that one. Good choice.